Do you want to discover how to unearth really engaging video topics, or make videos that people genuinely really want to watch, or how to identify subjects that people are asking questions about on Google? I'm Jeremy, I'm a video creator and video marketer, and in this video I'm going to walk you through my process for discovering subjects that will make your videos fly. So for the sake of this exercise, I'm going to imagine I have got a dog training business and I want to uncover really good topics that will engage the audience that I'm going for, my target market. So whenever I'm starting a topic search, I always just start with Google, simple as that. The first thing to do is to really empathize with your target market, your audience. What kind of questions are they going to be typing into Google that will lead them to come to your content, to discover your content? Given that I'm now in the dog training space, I will be looking for something, for example, like how to stop my dog barking. So let's try that. So I've just typed in how to stop my dog. And then what Google has done is it has auto-completed how to stop my dog barking, how to stop my dog barking at other dogs, how to stop my dog pulling on the lead, how to stop my dog from biting. Now, these are all actual search queries that people are typing in. And the data that you can see on the right-hand side here is from a ninja little tool called Keywords Everywhere. That is something that I would recommend you get if you're creating a number of videos. I really like Keywords Everywhere because it allows me very quickly to work out which topics have got the most search volume and therefore which would be worth making content around. So I can see straight away how to stop my dog barking, 1,600 searches a month. That is in the UK only because that's what I've set up on Keywords Everywhere for the moment. I can also see here 41p. Now that is what's called the CPC, the cost per click. The fact that people are paying to rank for this search term means that there's commercial intent, i.e. companies, dog training companies or whatever it is, are bidding on this term to show their adverts. So whenever anyone types this query in, adverts will be appearing on the top of the search returns, and obviously people pay to have their ad show up at that point. That's great because if I'm a business, and I am because I'm a dog training business at this point, I'm wanting to be shown in front of eyes who have got buying intent. So that is good news. I really hope you're getting loads of value from this video. If you are, please consider subscribing to the channel, and as they say in YouTubery circles, please smash that cheeky little like button. That'd be amazing. But also, more importantly actually, if you know anyone who could benefit from the contents of what we're talking about in this video, definitely share it with them. This little bit here basically shows the trend, i.e. are there more people searching or is it a diminishing trend? So I'd say based on this that how to stop my dog barking would be a worthwhile topic to consider. The other thing to think about as well is you've got longer tail, pardon the pun, obviously talking about dogs, but you've got longer tail key phrases here. This is really specific. How to stop my dog barking at other dogs. Fewer searches, but still quite strong, 590 per month. I would definitely look at doing things which are super specific, because as you build your quantity of videos that you're producing, YouTube will start to look at you and start to consider you as becoming an expert in a niche. This happens over a period of time. It's not going to be overnight. Nothing on YouTube is overnight. And importantly, if you're creating content that is answering people's questions, which is what you're doing here, because at the end of the day, we're looking at the actual search terms people are typing into Google. So if we're creating videos that answer these specific questions, Google and therefore YouTube will love us, and therefore we should get a really good amount of traffic from them. And also in turn, we should then start to rank in Google search and in YouTube search after a period of time. Now, this isn't obviously going to happen just after your first video. You need to, like I said before, you need to be consistent in your posting. You know, some niches are really competitive, and I'm imagining this is one of them. So in order to be considered as an expert by YouTube, I would imagine you'd have to probably create 20 or 30 videos around this specific topic area before YouTube really sort of notices that you're answering all these specific questions. Now, the reason we're obsessing about answering people's questions comes back to the fact that we're wanting to create content that is of value, that is useful to our target audience. It's a way of engaging them. It will keep them on our videos. And obviously, if you're creating a number of videos that are to do with related subjects, then you're more likely to keep those viewers on your platform as they go from one video to the next. And that is a really, really good thing. It's something you should be aiming to do on your YouTube channel. So let's go into how to stop my dog barking and see what the returns are like. This is proof that the search term has got commercial intent, because there are all of these products that are being advertised. So you've got this carousel of ads there. You've also got an ad here as well. And then you have got this here, which is again another really, really good source of content ideas. And then if we go to the scoot to the bottom of the page here, this is also an area that you need to look at. Searches related to that particular search term. Again, these could all be really good sources of ideas too. Without recourse to any fancy pants software, you've got 3 sources of topic ideas from Google on its own. So that's the first stage of my topic discovery process. Coming up in the next video, we continue to refine things further with YouTube. So definitely make sure that you press the screen in a second for the following video. Thanks for watching this one. See you soon.